if you are washing your shirts after every wear, you might be overdoing it. Here to tell us when it's time to toss your clothes into the hamper is Faustina from Fabrication Ottawa. Good morning to you,
Good
Faustina.
morning.
It's great to see you here.
Yeah, thanks
Bring
for having
all
me.
this clothes.
Yep.
And some of them are in the hamper, some of them are
Yep.
just getting ready to be worn again.
Yeah.
We're talking about this now, about when to wash and the different items. I know that it's probably not the same case for every item of clothing.
No, absolutely.
So let's talk about that and get to it. What do you have here for us?
Well, I've sort of broken it down into three sort of ideas of washing: frequent, regular, and infrequent. So first up, we have the frequent.
Okay.
And what you want to think of is anything that is getting sweaty or body oils on it, you're going to want to wash frequently. So things like lingerie, bras, and underwear.
Okay.
Swimsuits.
Yes.
Athletic wear. But those items often will have delicate fabrics or a lot of spandex in them. And spandex in particular doesn't like heat.
That's good to know.
So you want to avoid agitating them a lot, and you want to avoid the heat of the dryer. So for those items, hand washing is really a good idea. And hand washing with a gentle product such as this. This is a product called Soak Wash that we carry in the store. It's from a Canadian company, a woman-owned Canadian company from Toronto, actually, and it comes in a variety of really lovely light scents.
Okay.
And this is a no rinse, so you can really just put a little dab in like a little bowl or your sink like this. Let them sit for a little bit, and then just squeeze them out and hang them to dry.
Okay. So, so anything with spandex doesn't like friction, doesn't like a lot of heat.
Yes.
So you want to avoid that.
Yes.
Okay, but you do have to wash that
You
when
do
you're
have to
wearing it. You gotta wash it right away, right
exactly.
after. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great there. Okay, so we know that the stretchy fabrics that really adhere to the body.
that go right against the body.
Okay.
Exactly.
You wear it once and you're probably good to go to wash it right after. Okay, next up.
And then we have things that you can wash regularly. So these are things that maybe aren't like directly onto the body, that the fabrics are a little bit more durable. Yes. And these you can wear 2 or 3 times before you really have to wash them. So things like jeans, especially, pants, you can wear those 3 or 4 times before you really have to wash them. Shirts, blouses, that sort of thing, again, 2 or 3 times. Set up like a chair or a bench in your bedroom and just put the things that you've worn once or twice on there, and and then wash them. Exactly.
So you're kind of airing them out.
You're airing them out, exactly.
You can do that.
And then if an item like this that you're wearing on the outside gets stained, you can really prolong the use of that with a really good stain product. And I've been using this in my home for probably 10 years.
What is that? Just a stick?
This is a stain. This is called the Buncha Farmers stain stick. I got this from Hintonburg Kids. My friend Susie owns that store. And I've literally been using the same stick for probably 10 years at home. So I went and got a fresh one for you guys today. But this is a fantastic all-natural stain product, and I've never seen a stain that it can't deal with.
You got me right there when you said all natural.
Exactly.
Loving that as well.
Exactly.
So once again, more durable fabric. Let's take jeans for example. You wear them once, you don't have to necessarily throw them in the wash after that. And you can wear them a few times.
This is where I really think the sniff test can be very helpful.
Yes, exactly.
So like if you've been somewhere smelly, or if you've gotten stains on them or something like that, then obviously wash them more frequently. But these can, you can wear 2 or 3 times.
If they pass the sniff test,
go
exactly.
ahead.
Okay.
We've all done it. We've all done it.
Absolutely. I do it. Absolutely. Okay, we got the final table here. What you got?
And these would be items that you would wash infrequently or seasonally or as needed. So things like jackets, outerwear. This is just a jean jacket. Wool items. Wool is like naturally antibiotic. And it really doesn't need to be washed every time. These 2 sweaters of mine, I think I've washed maybe once or twice in the time that I've had them.
Sure.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then when you think about like a sweater, for example, or even a jacket, it's not going to be directly touching the skin because you're usually going to have a shirt underneath it.
Yeah.
So I
so
understand
body
why.
oils and sweat are the thing that will degrade fabric and make them wear out faster. But we want to be removing that. But if an item of clothing isn't exposed to body sweat and oils and stuff like that, it really doesn't need to be washed very frequently.
Faustina Kunkel, we love you coming by, showing us, the frequency in which we need to wash clothes, because the less you wash them, less often you wash them, the longer they're going to last.
Exactly.
So we really do love that.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for coming by. Fabrications Ottawa, where are you located?
We are at 1677 Carling Avenue, just west of Churchill.
Faustina,
Yeah.
thank you again.
Thank you.